Hey Aquarius, so how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a lovely day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today I'm going to do the zodiac reading for 2022 for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So let's start. What will be your overall energy for the year 2022? Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. Stepping out of your comfort zone will be very necessary for you guys. Okay, step out of your comfort zone. A lot of blessings. I feel like a lot of blessings will be there. Surrender. Yeah. Oh, surrender. So your theme is like surrendering to the divine, doing your work, then surrendering, and everything will be good. And look at the butterflies, a lot of transformation as well. So what you need to do is like whatever work you do the work, make the decision, go for it, and then don't think too much about the outcome. Just surrender. So it's like surrender. And with the sky dancers, you know, it's like dance to your own soul, heart, like your own soul, what your soul is saying. Go along with it and do the work, and just then don't think about it. Like just surrender. And the more you surrender, the more you let go of, I feel the more things will be awesome for you guys. So don't hold on to things very tightly. Let it loose, because nothing is going to go away from you. So if you're business owners, if you want to sell your products, like do your work and it will sell. Surrender. Everything is going to happen for you guys. I feel like there is a lot of blessings coming your way and you're divinely guided. And yeah, so surrender to the divine. That's what I feel like. So this is year to have the trust, have the faith and surrender, and get out of your comfort zone, do the risky things and then surrender. That's what I'm getting here for you guys. It's tough, it's not easy thing, but definitely that is what is coming for you guys. And we have the number 48, 4 and 8. Look, 4 is all about stability, 8 is all about the abundance, right? And we have it, when it reduces to number 3. So 3 is all about celebration, growth, community. So maybe for some of your community is growing. If you're on social media, you can expect that. And with this, you know, sky dancers, like becoming the center stage, that's also I'm getting here. Being in the spotlight for some of you. Yeah, maybe if that is your goal, that's happening. Yeah, I feel like for some of you will be overwhelmed by the response. Like you might launch a product and people will love it and you will be so overwhelmed because a lot of like, it's like you will start a business and yeah, just an example, you started a candle business and you just sold like 4 or 5 first, and then there are like tons of orders and you cannot fulfill those orders and you're like overwhelmed. Then you have to call upon people for help. Like that's something I'm getting, like that kind of things, like starting a YouTube channel and you're posting videos and finally a lot of people are watching you. So it's like something like that. Okay, let's see for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. Yeah, surrendering, reflection. Okay, so with this reflection card, what I feel like is this year is a time where you are not with the surrender and this reflection. What I'm getting is like you are not letting your ego come in between your success. You know, sometimes that happens, right? Our ego comes in between. Like maybe for some of you, when we win, right, when we have that fame, some people change, the ego comes. Like maybe for some of you, this is an advice to not let that happen. So when you're getting that fame, when you're getting that recognition, be that kind person, be the same person, don't change. You know, sometimes fame changes us I'm getting that energy. So maybe this is an advice from spirit to be the same person, to be kind and compassionate. That's very important. Don't let the fame or the success get inside your head. That is what I'm getting with this card. So always reflect on your own behavior. What is, you always, first we need to change ourselves, then only we can change other people, right? If we change, sometimes we always try to change other people. So instead what you need to do is to change yourself, right? But with this reflection card, what I'm getting, and with this, it's entirely different message. This is what I'm channeling right now. It's like, for some of you, there is a chance that your success might get into your head, and you might become arrogant or something like that. So don't let that happen. Always be grounded. Don't let always be humble. That's something I'm getting here from spirit. So yeah, don't let the success get into your head. So be grounded, be humble. So let's see what else for you guys. Frequency shift. So I'm getting like there is a lot of advancement spiritually as well. So here for some of you, it's like you're getting the success you need and you're progressing spiritually as well. So it's like you need to maintain a balance between practicality and spirituality. That is also important here. Okay, so yeah, you need to balance that's need to be balanced here for you guys in 2022. I'm getting here Aquarius sign. Okay, I feel like you will be getting out of your comfort zone, doing amazing things in 2022. But the thing that you need to do most is to reflect on yourself, make the necessary changes if you feel like to, and don't let stress get into your head. Don't let worry get into your head. So for some of you, this can also happen, right? You are this is the thing, right? If you are or in social media or something, you get fame, like you get success, and because of that success, maybe for some of you, you might start worrying, or what if I do this might, if people like this, like there will be like that kind of worry also. So don't let that happen. Surrender. Okay, so that's also I'm getting. So definitely your frequency is shifting. It's like you're going to a different things are shifting for you guys. So what I'm seeing is like a lot of overwhelming energy for you guys. So it's a good thing, like you're getting the success, but maybe for some of you this will be like too much on your plate. So that's also I'm getting here for some of you. So like if you're an artist, your art is like getting a lot of good reviews and all, like people are loving your art. So now you are like, you want to live up to that standard, so you might start worrying. So don't let that happen. Okay, so at that time, surrender. So yeah, this is good, the success is good, but at the same time, maybe the success will make you worry a lot. So at that time, reflect like why you started this, and just get back to the basics at that time. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here. So let's see what the tarot has to add to this. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, working with like getting a lot of opportunities, and Four of Swords energy. And yeah, there will be a lot of work. You will be very busy, getting a lot of offers, like online. Maybe for some of you, you are maybe you will be doing some work online. So you were getting a lot of a lot of people wants to work with you. So it will be like lot. So choose your like, don't accept everything that you get. Like choose it wisely, take breaks occasionally, think through, and then make a decision. Okay, that's very important. Yeah, and choose people also wisely. Maybe because of your success, there might be a lot of people coming back, so choose them wisely, choose wisely. Okay, that's also I'm getting here. For some of you, maybe don't try to do everything by yourself, just seek that help and make time for rest. Yeah, we have this Page of Pentacles again. So offers coming your way, a lot of people want to work with you. If you're a business, a lot of people want to collaborate with you. Yeah, so if you're a person who has social media, like a lot of offers you're getting. So while making that, when selecting the offers, think through meditate, and maybe trust your intuition while making a decision. That's very important here. So yeah, look, we have back of the deck energy, Queen of Pentacles also. So definitely for some of you, your business is going to do good in 2022. Like some projects of yours are going to be very good. Like some products you are creating, it's a success. So yeah, but it's sometimes it can be overwhelming as well. So take time out, meditate, reflect, and then always make a decision. Okay, don't you get impulsive, don't take action. Like, yeah, don't be in a hurry to take action. Think through and then take action. Sometimes we need to surrender as, yeah. So that's why I feel like the surrender card is there here for you guys. You're listening to your heart, like you're getting the things that you want in your life, but it will sometimes it will be too much to handle. So surrender at that time. Okay, so let's see. Aquarius. Oh, expectation. So something that you're expecting right now. Maybe you're expecting, oh, what if my business goes this? What if my social media, like I'm getting that recognition? So you're expecting something right now, and that's what is happening. That's what I'm getting. Like this person is like, maybe for some of you want a new home. That's happening. Maybe you want to, I just don't know why I'm getting like business, social media. Maybe it's a hobby that you want to pursue that is going to grow. You're getting that opportunity that you always wanted. Maybe for some of you it can be like getting offer from a university, getting accepted to a university that you wanted, right? So that's something I'm getting here. Look, we have concern as well. Like for some of you, what you're expecting you will get, and then you will start worrying about it. Yeah, you're getting that. What you want, you're getting, and then you're like worried. Oh, will I be able to handle this? Will I able to do that? Yeah. So that's why you need to surrender. Surrender all your concerns to the divine. So yeah, basically, whenever you're feeling concerned, whenever you feel like you cannot handle all these things, seek help, ask help from someone, and the rest give it to the divine. Let divine take care of it, right? And we have the 28 number, 48, 28, 33 number, and I told you 3 number came right, and 3 is all about celebration, growth. Yeah, growth, celebration, connection with spirit is also strong. So take time to reflect. There will be days where you will feel a lot of overwhelming energy, like I want to do this, there is so much to do. Like maybe this 2021 was a year where you had a lot of time to rest, but here in 2022 you will have to make time for rest because there will be so much on your plate. Okay, maybe for some of you it's like you're getting into the university that you wanted, and there is so much to learn, there is so much to explore, there is so much syllabus, and you're getting overwhelmed, and like it's like you don't know how to do things. Yeah, there's so much on your plate. So that's that. At that time, surrender. So you are definitely getting what you want. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. So let's see what else for you guys. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Okay, so maybe for some of you will be getting out of a relationship that is not working for you guys. In 2022, you are understanding that this person is not giving you the things that you want, or maybe there is no connection, or maybe you will be falling out of love with someone, or maybe you have a crush on someone. This is a one-sided love, and you are understanding that this person will never give you the love, and you are like letting go of this person. Okay, so maybe you're surrendering to the divine, like, yeah, I'm just surrendering. Like that is also I'm getting here. Like you're asking spirit, like, give me the best one. I'm just letting go of this person. So that's also I'm getting here. For some of you, this can be a third party situation also, and you're understanding that this person will not give you the love you want, and you're finally like releasing this person, and you're taking a break from this person. Maybe you are already in a relationship with this person, and now you're taking a break. So breakup, I feel like for some of you, you're going to break up with this person. And look, we have the soulmate energy also. So maybe for some of you it's like you're getting out of a relationship and you're meeting someone new. That's quite possible with a soulmate. And for some of you this can be like you're moving to some other country or a place, and you're understanding that this relationship doesn't have that much attraction to keep on going, so you're taking break from this person, you're breaking up. With the Four of Swords, I feel like you're breaking up, you're moving into a new place, a new, yeah, for some of you, and you're meeting someone there. That is also possible. This can be a friend also, okay? For some of you this can be a friend. So if you see, yeah, that's what I'm getting here. For some of you, letting go of a person's relationship, and you are meeting someone new. Someone new. Yeah. Stay optimistic about your love life. Yeah, finally. Look, here you are letting go of this person, and you are like, now if you're then you will become single, and they are telling you to be optimistic about your love life because you are going to meet your soulmate very soon. That's something I'm getting. So this year maybe you'll be meeting someone new, a new soulmate. Maybe for some of you, you have already broken up with this person, or maybe you will be breaking up with this person. Maybe you're thinking about breaking up with this person. I feel like this is going to happen, and you will, and maybe you will be single, and you will be like, oh my god, what if I will be single forever? No, it's not. Be optimistic about your love life. If you are already in a relationship, be optimistic about it. Don't lose hope, okay? That is also what I'm getting here, okay? For some of you, definitely you're going to meet your soulmate this year, okay? Yeah. So let's see what else for you guys. Remember, these are general readings, okay? So what the message is coming, that's what I'm saying, okay? So yeah, let's see for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. Let's see for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. We have Teacher awakens. You have something important to share. Follow the inner call. Don't let anything stop you. Okay, look, we have Surrender card, and we have this Teacher awakens. For some of you, it's like you're meeting a new mentor. Why I'm getting like this energy. Someone is going to a university, or getting accepted by a university. So you're traveling to a different place, and there you might meet someone who is going to be of great help for you guys there. That's something I'm getting here. A teacher, a mentor who will help you a lot, okay? They will, or maybe a roommate who will guide you, who will help you to get settled there. So that's something I'm getting here. Okay, so someone will be of importance, and for some of you this can be an older person who will be helping you in 2022. That's what I'm getting. And for others, it's like you have this wisdom that you need to give it to other people, right? So don't stop, share it. Maybe you have a book in you, like you want to write a book, write it down, okay? So that's something I'm getting. So with this also, don't stop, don't stop what you feel like, do it, because it will click. Yeah, people will love it. So that's also there. Yeah, so let's see. Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising here. I just heard a message. I don't know for who this is. Like, stop watching dramas and get into work. Like, maybe you're watching a lot of dramas, Korean drama. It's like starting one episode and then like watching till 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Maybe for some of you, not focusing on your studies or something like that. So it is affecting your daily life. So maybe for some of you, this is a message to get out of that. It's like your ancestors are telling you, focus on your studies, focus on your work. Right, let's see what else. Or maybe this can be an ancestor of yours who is near you, who is guiding you. Society, say yes to all the wonderful invitations coming your way. Excellent networking opportunities and new love interest for singles will be the result. Look, we have the surrender card, and I was talking about your business. People seeing your work, people like maybe you will receive a lot of invitation. If you are on social media, people will be inviting you for events, right? So there's definitely a lot of networking, meeting new people, going to new places. For some of you, it's like you're going to a new university, making friends there, getting a love interest there. So that's quite possible here. For some of you, work wise also, you can travel. Okay, so maybe for some of you will be traveling and giving the information to other people. That is also quite possible. So yeah, definitely a lot of networking is going to happen, and you're going to overcome all the challenges. So it's like there is lot will be happening in 2022 for you guys. Lot. So that's why it is important for you guys to surrender as well as to be grounded. Okay, lot of unexpected events, lot of yeah, twists and turns will be there for you guys. So let's see what is the affirmation for you guys, Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising for 2022. Oops. Like here also, this person is traveling, they're going to a new destination. So like, yeah, the point of power is always in the present moment. Yeah, surrender with this, it goes with the surrender, right? Everything is in the present moment. Don't think too much about your future. Don't, you know, as I told you, you might get success, and then you will be thinking about your future. What if this happens? What if people will not like that? You know, you will be worrying a lot. So that's why surrender and be in the present moment. That's very important for you guys. So the past is over and done and has no power over me. I can begin to be free in this moment. Today's thoughts create my future. I am in change, and I know now take my own power back. I am safe and I'm free. So yes, be in the present moment, guys. That's very important for you guys. If you want, write down this affirmation, and you're safe. Okay, you're safe, don't worry. So let's do the charms and end this reading for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, 2022. Like lot of passion. Look at the red color, lot of passion. You're going to follow your passion for sure, and this passion of yours is going to give you a lot of success. So as I told you, something that you're passionate about, you will be working and you will be getting success there. That's what I'm getting here, right? So yeah, as I told you with this Four of Swords, whenever you're making the decision, trust your intuition and then only make. Look, with this I'm getting, you will be exhausted. There will be so much on your plate. Yeah, this year is going to be full of like so many events happening. You have to go this, you have to do this, like a lot of work. So yeah, like a lot of love. For some of you, meeting your soulmate, that is also quite possible. New home. For some of you, new you're staying in a dorm or something like that. So yeah, that's possible. So you will be having a lot of fun as well. So be honest with yourself, and you're seeing the truth about a lot of people. Like with this person also, maybe this person is very deceptive, and you're understanding that, you're letting go of that. Okay, so that's there. Or maybe this is a friend that you're letting go of. They have been wearing a mask and all. So yeah, we have CC, Z and Q for you guys. So that's all I have for Aquarius. Bye bye, take care.